So we start by taking 5 to 6 potatoes, chop them in small cubes like this, 2 medium-sized onions sliced like that, and half a cup of green peas, frozen peas or fresh peas. Then we need to pressure cook all this. So I take a cooker, add in some water, the potatoes, the peas and some rock salt, and we'll pressure cook for about 2 to 3 medium whistles. Okay, while that's happening, I'll take a separate pan. I pour in some oil into that. I'm also adding some mustard oil to enhance the flavor. Same ways I'm adding the ghee as well. To this I'm adding a bunch of cumin seeds. So allow that to splutter. And add in some dry curry leaves. Allow that to splutter about a minute each. Then I'm adding in the onions. I mix in it for about 2 minutes. I'm adding in some ginger garlic paste. Again, detailed ingredients are in the description box below. Please check that out. To aid the faster cooking of onions, I add in some salt and cook it till the onions have browned a bit. Okay. Now I turn the flame to low and I start adding in the masala powders. So it's random, but what I like to add is some AMCHUR powder, that is called dry mango powder, cumin powder, pepper powder, some turmeric, a little bit of garam masala, and lastly I add in the red chili powder. Adding in some salt also. So I'm adding in the salt. Keep in mind the flame is low and we stir this and allow this to cook for about a minute or two. If you feel the masala is sticking to the base, add some oil. Okay. Now I add in the strained boiled potato and peas. Okay, and here as you can see I'm tossing all of them together. I am not using any kind of spoon or anything. Just keep on doing this and the entire mixture will get mixed properly. Okay, I mean, if you use a spatula or a fork or spoon, you will end up mashing up the potatoes, and that we don't want. Okay, some people just fry the potatoes in the oil continuously. They don't add them into the pressure cooker, which I don't like, frankly. This is a much healthier option. You can do it like this. Okay, so just spread it up like this and keeping the flame as low. At the end I'm just adding in some ghee so that they don't get too dry while they're cooking on low. Now I mix this once again. I'm going to simmer it, cover it and simmer it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I pick up the lid. Again I toss and turn it properly. Again I'm going to simmer this for about another 5 minutes. So now your fry is ready. Switch off the flame and it is ready to be served. You can have it with rotis, chapatis, dosas, or even as a side for rice and any other curry or sambar or rasam. Okay guys, so hope you go and try this and hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment in the section below, and I'll see you all next time. Bye guys.